So guys, to understand more about the academics, curriculum and what really go inside DBS Global University BBA program, we try to bring one of the associate member and the faculty over here. So I'll ask ma'am to introduce herself and then we'll move forward with it.
Okay. So I am Dr. Priyanka Pandey, handling the BBA program as mentor.
What DBS is trying to do extra so that students can be, I think, placement ready or industry ready.
So to answer this, our BBA program is designed in such a way that industry and academia integration is very much there.
Okay.
So like we are offering programs like BBA in HR, BBA in marketing, specialization, marketing, which are generic.
Okay.
Other than that, we also have future ready specialization like fintech, blockchain and technology, digital transformation, and other than that, we are also offering supply chain and logistic, which will make them future ready.
Okay.
Right? Because these skills are very much in demand in the market, and that makes us different. If we talk about the curriculum, other than that, if I talk about the exposure that we give here, so it is not just the lectures inside the classroom. We also give exposure in terms of industry, people coming to the campus for the guest lectures,
Okay.
and simulation, case study related teaching inside the classroom. All these are the qualities, I must say. And one more thing that makes our program very different is the industry required certification that makes them employable,
Okay. Okay.
like SAP, SAS. So yes, we are different that way. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am, since you have multiple specialization in BBA, so how you guys are maintaining quality? Because जब ज़्यादा courses launch कर देती है university, so it is very difficult कि आप हर बच्चे पे उतना ही ध्यान दे पा रहे हो या नहीं. So I just want to ask you about the quality की DBS, how they are working regularly, since it is a management institute. So I just want you to highlight on that.
Yes. So you talked about the strength and the quality, how we are maintaining that. So we have designed our curriculum in such a way that these super specialization that I talked about, like blockchain, fintech, and data analytics, these are integrated. These are not that we are providing out of the curriculum.
Okay.
So our curriculum is planned in such a way that it is the part of their main curriculum. So they are not putting any extra effort out of it. Like we are the most AI ready university. So every subject has the integration of
Okay.
this AI and future ready specialization that I talked about.
Okay, ma'am, so also I'll add, because it is very difficult for the students to get placed after BBA, since it is an undergraduate program, and students usually have a doubt कि मैम मुझे इसके बाद MBA तो करना ही पड़ेगा, तो why should I invest this much amount in BBA? So I just want to ask you कि what is the placement scenario over here for BBA, and students should choose DGU for BBA program or they should directly jump for MBA in DGU?
So placement is the most important thing. I think aspiring management student really want to know that what is the average number of placement. So it's all about the number. But I must say that in our BBA program, we, alongside the placement, that the average is 6 to 8 lakh per annum. With this, I just want to highlight the beauty of our program, that we send our student for 6 to 8 month industry internship, where they get handsome stipend.
Okay.
So that also gives them exposure. Alongside that, they get the stipend also. So BBA is all about making them future ready. Definitely most of the students, they go for MBA program and they aspire for the post graduation degree, but here on our campus we give them opportunity if they are interested in going for placements.
Okay, going for placements, fine, ma'am. So if you can tell the number of companies present in DBS specifically for BBA program.
See, mostly the company that comes for MBA, they come for BBA program as
Okay,
well.
okay.
So if I talk about last year's data, so 135 odd companies have visited our campus. So I think that's a decent number.
Okay, so ma'am, one message you would like to give to the students who are planning to join DBS the coming year specifically for BBA program?
So if you are looking for a university where learning is not just restricted inside the classroom, if you want to really live a happy life and vibrant life, I think DBS is a place for you.
Okay, ma'am, thank you so much. And I'll also suggest students, if they want to know more about DBS campus, come to the campus. They'll provide you great facilities over here. If you have any queries regarding BBA program in DGU, you can pinch us in the comment section or you can call us on the giving number. So we'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much.